Solopreneur. This term has become very popular among the online community lately. The reason being the ease to tap into this field with very little or zero budget and to make it big with one expertise or product. Solopreneurs are either into consultancy or creating products, content, or designs. Most solopreneurs don't sell their own products, they either choose affiliate links or e commerce retailing. Most freelancers are into creative solopreneurship, and most agencies online are into consultancy. The return on investment again depends on the product sold and the niche in which they are selling. Niche decides the demand for these products. Solopreneurs thrive on personal branding. This includes owning a website, having social media presence, writing articles or publishing newsletters, hosting podcasts, and so on. In this video, we will discuss how you can build a business as a solopreneur. Building a business as a solopreneur, someone who runs their own business alone, requires a balance of strategy, systems, and self management. Here is a clear step by step guide tailored to help you start and grow effectively. Step 1. Define your business idea. Identify a problem you can solve, like freelance writing or design, digital products, courses, templates, consulting or coaching, niche e commerce, content creation with monetization. This problem must be based on your skills, interest, or experience. Then validate your demand by researching forums like Reddit, Quora, talking to potential customers, or testing via landing pages. Pick a niche where you can stand out, especially important since you won't have a team to scale fast initially. If you're still with us, please give a thumbs up and click that bell icon for notifications. Step 2. Choose a lean business model. As a solopreneur, simplicity and scalability are your friends. Popular solopreneur friendly models that are used by many online businesses these days have to be service based businesses like freelancing, coaching, consulting, productized services like fixed price, logo design, SEO audit, and so on. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, affiliate marketing or blogging, drop shipping or print on demand, and so on. Here is a book on starting your first online business. It's easy to start one but requires consistent effort to sustain and a very good strategy to make a mark. Step 3. Build a minimum viable brand. You don't need a perfect brand at first, but consistency matters. It is essential to own a business name and domain that must have your name or niche or both. You must create a simple logo using tools like Canva or Luca. Design a website with clear offer. You may use platforms like Card, Webflow, or WordPress. It is advised to maintain one consistent color scheme and voice. Step 4. Set up systems and tools. Automate or streamline everything possible to save time. Core areas you will need automation with are website portfolio, payments, email marketing, client management, scheduling, and marketing. You may use tools like WordPress, Webflow, Card, Wix for website, Stripe, PayPal, Gumroad for payments, ConvertKit, MailerLite for email marketing, Notion, Trello, or Bonsai for client management, Calendly for scheduling, Buffer or Hootsuite for scheduling content for marketing. Step 5. Market yourself consistently. You are a brand and visibility is everything. Effective solopreneur marketing involves content marketing through blogs, LinkedIn posts, TikTok, YouTube, and so on. Email list building by giving away a free lead magnet. Cold outreach using DMs, emails to potential clients, and so on. Networking in online communities and events. And finally, SEO for long-term visibility. Focus on one platform to start with, master it, and then expand. Step 6. Sell and deliver efficiently. Create a clear pricing package or product. Use system templates for onboarding, delivery, and follow-up. Collect testimonials early to build credibility. Step 7. Scale smartly. Once your business is stable, you must productize services by creating templates, bundles, or courses. You must automate by using tools and SOPs to save time. You should try and outsource. You may hire a VA or specialist as needed. You must create recurring income through retainer clients, memberships, or subscriptions. While doing all of these to build your business as a solopreneur, it is important to focus on your mindset and time management. You must set clear work hours and boundaries. You should track time. Use Toggle or Clockify to understand where it goes. Above all, avoid burnout. Try and take small regular breaks, build micro habits, and ultimately celebrate your wins. In my next video, I will give an insight into the different types of solopreneur business models popular online and will also share some real life examples who were successful in these businesses. If you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.